Today's video, I'm going to be replacing the rear bushing on this lower control arm. And the reason why is you can see the rubber is already old and separated. So whenever you're driving down the road, the whole arm is just bouncing around inside this bushing. So you can hear it clunking as you're driving down the road. It is good practice to replace the whole control arm if you have the luxury of waiting. You can go ahead and order the whole control arm online, or you could just replace this main bushing. There's 2 bolts and nuts holding the rear bushing on, 18mm nut, 15mm bolt head. .21mm bolt and nut. .18mm nut. All right, the control arm is off. 21mm. Right here you can see our bushing is shot. And here you go. Here's a new one. We're going to go ahead and temp install her for now. You're going to have this crease on the top. We'll leave it loose for now, and once it's inside the car, we'll go ahead and torque it down. So we don't prematurely wear out the bushings, we're going to go ahead and jack up the suspension under load, and then we'll torque down the bushing mounts. I get a torque wrench in there, so we're just going to go ahead and snug it down as tight as we can. Online I found this is 89 inch-pounds, which is about 7 foot-pounds. And there you go, the rear mount's torqued down, the front mount's torqued, and the ball joint is torqued and cotter pinned. And that's how you replace the control arm and or the bushings on these Saturn views. Hope this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.